So for letter to editor, as why it is written? It is written to the editor of a newspaper when you want to bring into notice some issue, some problem which the common people are suffering, and you want a solution of it, as after writing to the authorities, you haven't got any solution, right? So for that, first of all, format what we write down, sender's address, which is always in 3 lines. For example, sender's address, how you have, for example, yes, house number, colony and city. Okay, then afterwards leave line. Okay, then write down date, which you always write down in the above format as you have written. For example, 14 August 2021. Then afterwards again leave line, write down receiver's address. Okay, now in case of receiver's address, what you will have? You will have, to whom you will write down? The editor. To which newspaper? Okay, the Tribune, the Hindustan Times, anything, right? Leave line, dates. Leave line, then yes, sender's address. Sender's address, yes. Yes. Editor, the Tribune. Yes. Okay. Then afterwards, you will have to write down subject. Subject, why you are writing down? Write the subject according to the question. Okay. To bring into notice what, for example, problem of this, problem of poor condition of roads, problem of, you can say, water supply. So many can be there, right? Next, afterwards, you will write down, sir, para 1. What is your para 1? What is your para 1? Para 1, which is an introductory para. And in introductory para, what you will write down? Through the, yes, how you start first para? You write down, through the esteemed columns of your widely, yes, no, there is no need. No need. Okay, to leave line here. Then how you can start? For example, you can write down, through the esteemed columns of your widely circulated newspaper, I would like to bring into notice the problem of this of the authorities. Okay, as the people are suffering a lot because of this problem, right? Understood? So after that, para 1, you will have para 2. Okay, so para 2, which is the main para. So in this paragraph, what you will write down? In this paragraph, you will mention about what? You will write the problem in detail. Having good repetition. Okay, write problem in detail. Okay, you will write down the problem in detail. You can give examples also here. Okay, that how people are suffering because of it, right? As you are writing, you will bring the clear picture of the problem into notice. Okay, what you will do, you will bring the clear picture of the problem into notice, right? Then afterwards, para 3. So para 3, which is your concluding para. In concluding para, what you will write down? You will write that you will request for the editor to publish your letter in the newspaper. Okay, so how you can write down? I hope that you will provide a room to my views in your newspaper. Okay, so then you can also write down so that the authorities can wake up from their deep sleep. Okay, right? So that the authorities can wake up from their deep sleep or the problem can be sorted out, right? So in this manner, you will write down. Yes, circulated newspaper, and then what the problem is. Yes, in the second para, you will describe the problem. Yes, room to my views in your newspaper so that the authorities can wake up from their deep sleep, from their deep slumber. Slumber is also sleep when they are not listening anything. Okay, right? In your newspaper, and then ultimately complimentary close, yours truly, and then your name proper. For example, your name is Kanishk. Clear? Right? Okay. So earlier, which example we have done in notebook? Anybody remember? You remember which example we have done? Yes. Which? Poor condition of roads. Okay. So now, today we will write down about the problem of loudspeakers. Due to election campaigning. Huh? Stray dogs, yes. Many can be there. Okay, so now we will do the problem of loudspeakers due to election campaigning. Yes? What? कोई बात नहीं. Take some page right at the back of any. So now, Kanish, pay attention. So what we will write down? First of all, you will write down sender's address in 3 lines. Leave line, write down date. Again, leave line, write down receiver's address. What will be the receiver's address here? The editor, the Tribune, the Hindustan Times, anyone you can write, and then your city. Then subject. Okay, what will be the subject? Problem of loudspeakers due to election campaigning. Okay, so you have mentioned, right? So first paragraph, how we will start? How we will start the para 1, that is introductory para. What you will write down? suppose? Yes, through the esteemed columns of your widely circulated newspaper, I would like to bring into notice or into your notice the problem of loud noise which is produced by loudspeakers due to election campaigning. Right? Because of election campaigning, you have told that I want to bring this problem into your notice. Right? So para 2, which is main para, in this para we will write the problem in detail and we will write down examples. Okay, so how we will write down para in detail? Yes, what problems are there? How you are suffering? Now give points. Yes. Let me note down the points. You say 1 minute. You say we cannot study. Okay, problem in study. Sleeping problem. Then some patients are also there. Okay, right? So how you can? Even children are suffering. Infants, newborn babies, and very small. You can say young ones. They are called as infants. Infants can't take rest. Okay, so let us elaborate this problem. Okay, so this problem has turned out to be a nuisance for everyone. Okay, why it has turned out to be a nuisance? Because these days are meant for the preparation of exams. Many students in colleges as well as in schools have got preparatories in order to prepare for their final exams. But due to the loud noise of the speakers, the children are not able to, what they are not able to? The children are not able to study, and it is because of this reason their study is suffering. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now at night also, because of the loud noise played outside the main offices of the parties, of the election parties, people of the adjoining or nearby areas, they are also not able to take rest and to sleep properly. They are not able to sleep properly. So it is also disrupting their peace of mind. They are not getting peace of mind. Yes, people are unable to go and enjoy outside, or yes, there is lot of noise outside. Then there are many patients and old age persons in our homes. Okay, and mainly they are suffering from heart problems as well as other ailments. Ailments means yes, ailments is there, and this is the reason why they are not able to withstand with that high pitch of the sound afterwards. Okay, they are not able to withstand with that, you can say, high pitch of the sounds, and it is because of the reason their condition is deteriorating day by day. Deteriorating means declining. Okay, they are not they are not able to improve their health, right? As it is one of the major cause of noise pollution. Okay, and you can also mention that these days, because of busy routine, no one has time to spare just for, you can say, just for enjoyment. So every minute and every second of a person is important, but they are not able to utilize this time for, you can say, productive ways. Productive means some positive, giving some output, right? Then I want to क्या? Yes, I want to bring to your kind notice. Okay, in this manner you will write down. Then the young infants are also not able to take sleep because of this. They are they are not able to take rest. Okay, and are ultimately a source of problem for the parents. Okay, they are also not able to take them outside to entertain themselves. So ultimately, they have turned out to be irritating in nature. Okay, so this is not a problem to be ignored, but this is a problem to be sorted out, as the authorities as well as the election parties, they are not at all paying any attention towards this problem, and they thought that it is their birthright to campaign for elections, right? So now para 2 you have written everything, okay, in detail. You have written the problem. Now coming up to para 3. Yes, I hope that you will provide a to my views in your newspaper, so that the concerned authorities as well as election parties will wake up from their sleep and would take some actions in this regard, so that the people can be relieved of this problem, right? So then afterwards, your truly and then your name. Okay. So this is clear how you have to write down. Is it clear? So this is one problem. So in this manner, you will have different type of topics. Okay. For example, poor condition of roads we have done. Okay. Then problem of stray dogs. Okay. Problem of stray dogs, that there are number of animals. How we can do this? Problem of stray dogs, how we can do this? Again, suppose you will have to write down for problem of stray dogs. So let us write down. Okay. So sender's address, date, then you will have receiver's address, same in the manner as we have done. Then afterwards subject, what will be the subject? Problem of stray dogs and animals on the road. Sir, okay, para 1, which is your introductory para, how you will start? Speak out through the esteemed columns of your widely circulated newspaper, I would like to bring to your kind notice the problem of stray dog and other animals which are or who are moving on the roads without any restraint. Okay, without any control means. Okay, so para 2, write the problem in detail. What they are doing? Okay, dogs are barking at everyone. They are not properly vaccinated. So if any dog will bite any person, he may get any kind of infection, right? Then they are also cause of many accidents, roadside accidents, as whenever the people they are running their vehicle, they immediately come in front of the scooters and motorcycles, leading to accident, and it can. Huh? Yes, you can also mention that even children, they are not able to play outside their houses, okay, because of these animals. Moreover, they are eating the rubbish and the trash which are made in the form of heaps outside the colonies. As the municipal corporation is not collecting the garbage well in time, okay, and these stray animals as well as dogs, they eat the polythene bags which were lying on the road when they were searching for food. So what is happening? These polythene bags, they can choke them, okay, and cause their death. Many times this happens that the dogs or a cow or any other animal could be seen lying on the road in that condition, and nobody is taking away the dead body of the animal, okay, which is producing foul smell also, right? So now you will give suggestions. What suggestions you will give? What can be done? So Yes, you can write down. So what suggestions you can write down? What type of suggestions you can write down? Regarding stray dogs, what suggestions you will write down? Please keep. The municipal corporation as well as the authorities responsible will take some stern actions or stringent actions in order to control the population of stray dogs and animals on the roads. For this, what they can do? For this, what they can do? Yes, Suhana, you can speak. Let me listen, Suhana and Bhavya. Let them give chance. Yes, Suhana.
Stray dogs should be properly vaccinated.
They should be properly vaccinated. Okay, then.
I would advise general public to adapt these dogs, stray dogs, after training by municipal corporation and other authorities.
Okay, very good. That common people can also adopt these dogs and take the responsibility to feed them daily. Okay, if the municipal corporation is unable to do this, right? Okay, good. Very good. Bhavya, yes, you can give your points also. Yes, Bhavya.
They should be vaccinated and some dogs should be kept in the kennel also.
Some, what should be kept?
Dogs should be kept in kennel.
Kennels, or you can say small cages, to be provided on the roadside where they can be kept and they can be released during daytime. Huh? Kennel. 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 This is the house of a dog, right? Right? Special cages to be provided where they can be kept. Okay. Moreover, the NGOs. What are NGO? NGO means non-government organizations which help the public or the society voluntarily. So the many NGOs can also come in order to solve this problem, as they can take these stray dogs away as well as animals and provide a safer environment for them to live there, so that the animals can be proper fed and they could not be found moving on the roads. Okay, and at night, as the situation turns out to be serious, okay, because in sometimes in dark these animals even cannot be seen, right? So strict actions are to be taken in this regard, right? You have to write down this. Then coming up to the last para, afterwards I'll send you. Sit down. Yes, I hope that you will provide some room to my views in your esteemed newspaper, so that the concerned authorities will take proper and adequate actions in this regard to solve this problem. And the problem of the common people can be sorted out, and even these stray animals as well as cows and other animals, they can be relieved of the ill treatment that they suffer on the roads. That's it. You can add on from your side also. Okay, wait, please wait. So at the end, yours truly, I said at the end. Okay, yours truly and then your name. Okay. So 2 letters I have discussed. One you can write down in notebook for your practice today. And today you also have your test. Right? Which topic? As you wish. Anyone you feel. Okay, yes. What is the topic of test? Very bad. Nobody remembers? Yes, Bhavya, Suhana, what is the test today? Yes, Bhavya.
Today is SST test.
Today's is? Achha, you
SST
have
test.
Okay, right. Today's class. Right, okay. So next week test will be sent to you and you will do your test. Okay. So that's all for today. So complete your work and send your videos of second internal assessment, that is poster. Poster you have to send, and those who haven't sent the videos of the first internal assessment activity, they are also advised to send. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to get the marks. So that's all for today. So now let me take the attendance. You go first of all. Please wait one by one. I will send. Navya, note down. 7, 17, 37, 7, 17, 37, then 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 24, 30, 24, 30, 29, 24, 30, 29, 30, 34, 30, 34, 38, 40, 43, 49, and 52. 52. Yuvraj. 50 तक है. Yuvraj, change. You are 50, not 52. Now any doubt? Let me speak the names. मैं names बोलती हूँ, आप एक बार देखो. बानी, हर्षिया, प्रेरणा, आकृति, आयुषी, आदित्य अरोड़ा, अर्जुन, भवेश, भव्या, तीरथपाल, मंजोत, मिष्ठी, both मिष्टीज, नित्या, पुरंजय, ऋषिता, समर, सुहाना and युवराज. ठीक है? So that's all for today. Complete your work, enjoy good health and happiness. Okay? So online students can leave the class.